Hi, scholars. Here it is, Miss Vaslin with your Math and Science for day 20. I'm just going to go over our assignments, and this is the Math and Science, so I'm only going to review the Math and Science assignments. And it's the story problems, measuring items for math, and then for science, it's create a staircase using your towers. If you did your STEM project from yesterday, this should be really easy. So for our word problem of the day is there are 20 hens and 12 roosters in the coop. How many more hens are there than roosters? So right now it's a compare problem. So I already know I need to subtract. So I'm going to put 20 minus 12 because we always start with our equation first. And I forgot to write in the equals, but we'll just pretend it's there for now. And I'm going to break up my 12 because remember, I want to take that 12 from the 20 because that 12 represents my roosters. So, and it wants to know how many more hens there are. So I want to take the roosters away so I can figure that out. So I already know I see a 10, so I'm going to break that 12 into a 10 and a 2. So that way I can have that. So now I know that from my 20, I can take away 10, right? And if I know that 2 minus 1 is 1, then I know 20 minus 10 is 10. So now, remember, because that 10 is part of that 12. So now I've taken 10 away. So now I have a make 10 equation. So I can, or break 10, however you want to say it. And 10 minus, I'm going to take that remaining 2 to have 8. Okay, so now I'm going to double check it, right? Because it's always good mathematicians always double check their work. So here's my number line, same one as we've had in the past. And I'm going to rewrite that equation, 20 minus 12 equals, and notice that doesn't change. And then I'm going to have my number line here. I'm just going to move my picture so you can see. And I'm going to, sorry about that. Circle my 20 because that's my starting point, and then I'm going to jump back 12 spots, and that lands me at 8. So I still have the same answer, and then I have 8 more. So I have 8 more hens than I have roosters. I'm going to switch my picture back up just so I'm not in the way for other videos. So your problem is Kiara has 11 candies and Sunny has 5 candies. How many more candies does Kiara have than Sunny? I'll read it one more time. Kiara has 11 candies and Sunny has 5 candies. How many more candies does Kiara have than Sunny? I'm going to give you a little time to solve it. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, I'm going to move on. So now we're going to watch a little measuring video that I thought would help remind you of what we did in the classroom. There it is. It's getting all ready for you. All right. Oh, I didn't want that. So now we have just reviewed our story problem and our measuring items. So that will help you when we're doing our science today, which to create a staircase using your towers. So you should remember this from playing it in the classroom. We use cubes just like in this picture, but you remember from yesterday with the juice boxes and different items in your house that you can measure with, and try to see if you can build 3 towers, can be with anything in your house, and arrange them by height or by measurement. And then challenge yourself to do 5 different towers. So if you've already done your 3, build another one and see where that would go. And that would be 4, and then build another one and see where that one would go. And then record it. And I can't wait to see your recordings. And now that we've gone over how to create a staircase using your towers, I'm going to put a check there. It's if then that means you're done for the day with our math and science. If you are finished with your reading and writing, congrats, you're done for the day. If not, head over and watch those videos. I'll see you tomorrow, scholars. Bye. Keep up the good work.